How to dropship in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start dropshipping in Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, dropshipping is a very popular business model. It basically means you take products from a cheaper website and you add them to your e-commerce store, and then you basically sell them as the third-party seller between the two parties. So a person purchases the product from your e-commerce store, but they actually get it delivered from the actual supplier directly, and you just serve as a medium between the two. Now, to get started with your dropshipping business on Shopify, you're just going to click on shopify.com, and from here you're going to click on get started. Over here you're going to enter your email address, you're going to enter your password, and then you're going to enter the store name that you want. Once you do that, this is going to be your basic dashboard. So over here, this is the homepage of your basic dashboard. You have on your left your orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, applications, and then your online store. So if you click on your online store over here, you can click on customize and enter the theme that you want for your store, and then you can click on explore free themes to visit the different themes that are available for your e-commerce store that you can use for free on Shopify. Now, this is how you set up your store. How do you actually get to starting your dropshipping business? So a very popular dropshipping supplier is definitely Alibaba.com. You can find a lot of cheap products over here, but how do you actually use Alibaba products and supply them via Shopify onto your own e-commerce store? So if I go onto my product section over here, I have added a few products, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these, and I am going to click on over here, and I'm going to delete all of these products, and I'm going to show you how you can actually pick out products from Alibaba and get them on your store. So let's say that I'm browsing Alibaba, and what I want to do is I want to look for bows. I want to make like a bow store or like an online jewelry store of some sort on Shopify. So you can see over here, I have these bows over here. I can click on any of these items to see what it's going to cost me. So you can see these are available for very cheap. So this is $1.28. This is $5 for 10 pieces. So if I click on this over here, these are cheerleading bows. These are very cute. Let's say I like this item. The first thing I recommend is that instead of actually going for the price that has been provided over here, you can actually click on contact supplier, and then you can ask them for a discount. You can ask them that you're going to order in bulk, you're going to start your dropshipping business. So if they could provide you with a discounted price, and most often than not, you can get like $1 or $2 off the actual price that is listed over here. Sometimes it is not available, sometimes they don't give you any kind of discount, but you can in most situations get your discount. Now, once you have seen your discount, you can see all of the details of the product. I do recommend analyze the product thoroughly. So once you analyze your product, everything seems good. You want to make sure that the supplier is a recognizable, or the supplier is actually someone that is trustworthy. So you can click on the supplier over here, and you can see the on-time delivery rate is 100%. The response time is less than 1 hour. So this supplier is probably someone that you can trust. So make sure the supplier that you're choosing is not someone that is shady, or if anything seems shady about the supplier, I recommend that you drop them right away, because when customers don't receive their products via your Shopify store, you're going to be held responsible. Even if the supplier was the one that made the mistake, the supplier is the one that is not providing the product on time, you're going to be the one that is going to be held accountable. You're going to be responsible of delivering your product. So make sure that the supplier that you're choosing is actually someone that is trustworthy. Now, how do you actually integrate Alibaba onto your actual Shopify store? So one thing you can do is you can contact the suppliers from here and then add them to your Shopify store, add the products directly, and then use like both of these platforms side by side when you're managing your products or managing your stuff. But what I would recommend is that you go onto the app section over here on Shopify. So once you click on apps, you can just scroll down over here. You can click on view more app in this collection. Just click on this. This will open up a new tab. And on your new tab, what you're going to do is you're going to click on search over here. You're going to search for Alibaba. And once you search for Alibaba, you're going to find all of these dropshipping tools, and you're going to find Dropshipping Alibaba Official. You can click on this over here, and there are other applications you can add as well. So you're going to click on add app. You're just going to click on add app onto your store, and this will automatically integrate Alibaba. Now you're just going to click on install app over here. And once you click on install app, you're just going to sign into your Alibaba account. So I'm just going to create my account with my Google email address. I'm going to sign in with my Google account to just begin my dropshipping journey on Shopify. So I'm just going to sign in, and there are a bunch of other dropshipping applications. You can see below there are specific like applications that serve as dropshipping suppliers. that filter out products for you. So once you do that, once you have logged on to your account, this is going to be your dashboard, and from here you can just click on add to import list to add this to your import list on your Shopify store. So if I'm browsing this little web page, so let's say I want to search for bows again. So once more, I'm searching for bows. Now I can set the price range. I can add like a bunch of different filters to determine what kind of results I want, to determine what kind of actual items that I'm looking for. And let's say I just want to add these products. So I'm just going to click on add to import list over here. And then my importing has been completed. Once I have this in my import list, you can see over here that I'm going to click on push to store. And now this is going to be added to my e-commerce store. So it's being imported right now. This product is being pushed to my store. Now, what it's going to do is basically add this directly onto my Shopify store without me even having to open up the Shopify manager, the Shopify dashboard. This is going to automatically add these products onto my Shopify store because I have integrated Shopify with my Alibaba dropshipping account. So the work over here has been really simplified, and you can add multiple products on your import list before you start importing. And we're just waiting for this process to be completed for these products to be added onto my store. So it might take a little bit of time before it actually is added to your store, because obviously this is like a time consuming process, but they're just going to add this to your store. And now you can see that this product has been successfully added to my store. So I can click on view in my product, and you can see in my product section, I have this automatic price updating as well. So automatically, if the Alibaba price goes up, it would be automatically updated onto your Shopify store as well. And if it actually goes down, it could be downlisted on your Shopify store as well. So if I go onto my store over here, if I go into my online store over here, I can just click on this and I can click on preview to open up my store, and I can go into the catalog. Now you can see over here, once I go into my catalog, these bows are available. Even though I did not even open up the Shopify homepage, I have directly added my dropshipping product onto my Shopify store. And this is how simple and easy everything is for you to do via the Shopify and Alibaba integration. Now, one thing I do recommend is changing the title of the item. So once you go into your Shopify dashboard, you can go into the product section, and once you have this product, you can just click on this over here. And once you click on your product, you're just going to change the title. Like everything else is fine. You can just change the item. Like make sure it's not like filled with keywords. So chiffon, luxury, like that. And you're just going to click on save. Now I've updated the listing over here. Now, once my product has been saved, I'm just going to refresh this on my web page. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to be upgraded on, but if I go over here, it's being upgraded. So we're just going to wait for this to patch along to the upgrade. Now, if I go back onto my online store, if I click on preview, so I'm just going to click on the preview over here, and I'm going to go back into my catalog. And you can see the name has been upgraded to chiffon luxury bow, and it seems a lot more legitimate than just having like a very long name. So that is how easy it is to start your dropshipping business on Alibaba and Shopify, or you can add any other supplier that you want, that you have on your preference. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.